Okay, the next question is very similar, it's just the other way around. So you get given a number in standard form. So remember, this number here has to be between 1 and 10. Okay, it's always the power of something. Remember, if it's a positive number, the power, okay, it's a fairly large number, okay, and I'll give you some more examples later on of some really small numbers with negative powers. So how do you write them as ordered numbers? Well, it's quite straightforward. We take the number in front, so in example A, 8.2. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to just put 8.2 technically, okay, but we're just going to put 8.2 for now. And what that means is we start in the middle because that's where the point is. Alright. And we move back 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where the decimal point is now going to be. And what we do is any gaps we simply fill with zeros. Okay? So that is your answer. You do not need the dot at the end because it's a whole number. Alright? And that's your final answer. So this one, 3.61, we're just going to write as 361. We're going to start here, move back 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So as you can see, I have one gap, so I'm just going to fill it with a 0. And the last one, 3.01, always starts where the point is, so that's in between a 3 and a 0, and you're going to go backwards 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A few gaps here, just fill in with zeros. Okay, and that's how you write fairly large numbers that are in standard form as ordered numbers. And then here, as you can see, we have some negative powers. This means these are quite small numbers, but the principle still stays the same. You write the first number out as normal. I advise you doing it towards the right of the sheet because you're going to have to put some numbers in front of it to make it small. So 5.01. Okay, again, you start where the point is, the decimal point, and you move the other direction this time 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when you do write in small numbers, you do draw the dot in now. So any gaps you do fill in with zeros, and you also put one at the front. Okay, so the next one, 2.25. Start where the decimal point is and move back. Oh, it's 5 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the decimal point goes there, and any of the gaps you fill in with zeros, including one at the front. Okay, so the last one, 4.7. Okay, start where the point is and go back 3. 1, 2, 3. Any gaps you fill in with zeros. So the final answer would be 0.0047.